Hey YouTube, today we're going to install a new charge pipe from Kies Motorsports. Alright, sounds like UPS was just on the door here, so we'll see what we have. I do think we have a package from maybe Kies Motorsport. Aha! Just what we've been waiting for. That makes me super excited. There's Lucy. So we'll take a look at what we have in this box. Here again, YouTube. We just cut open the box that arrived here with UPS today. We got our charge pipe from Kies Motorsports. And I wanted to give a shout out to Gary. I know I've worked with him kind of back and forth via email. And thank you for partially sponsoring the first real upgrade on my vehicle right now. So we're going to go through and install this here today as well. And hopefully get everything captured on the video as well. But thank you again, Kies, for helping me out with that. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap everything and then we'll be back. So in order to avoid flooding YouTube with identical videos of the exact same projects, I'm going to include Eamon94's installation of this charge pipe in the description below. He did a great job explaining exactly what went into changing the pipe, including what type of tools was needed in order to complete it. Alright, so what we got here is a couple sensors to remove. Looks like we got 3 T27s and 1 T25. And then there's a C-clamp at the very bottom of the pipe here. As you can see, it's all plastic and certainly will be improved getting a metal pipe on here too. So for reliability as we go forward, should make a big difference. The installation of the charge pipe itself was super simple. Took only about 25 minutes. It included basic tools, a flathead screwdrivers to get to the bottom of the C-clamp there, a screwdriver to tighten the hose clamps on the side, 2 Torx bits to secure the charge pipe to the throttle body, reconnecting the sensors, and an Allen there to connect the a sensor to the actual charge pipe itself. So super simple, definitely something that somebody without a whole lot of experience can put together as well. And we are good to take a drive. So once again, thank you Gary and Brian at Kies for the sponsorship on this charge pipe. I really appreciate it. This is just the beginning of many things to come here. So thank you again for that, and we'll start building. I will see you all later.